That's clever. Cool. How symbolic. It's not even Valentine's Day. Whee! Oh, it's a pinwheel now. How clever. That's really special. That's cool. Paul Revere, huh? Neat. Giddy up. The British are coming. The British are coming. Cool. What are we getting now? Oh, the American Eagle. Okay. Neat. That is pretty damn cool. And you're watching this video being recorded as in Wildwood, Crest, a drone demonstration happening right over Sunset Lake in Wildwood, Crest, New Jersey. In case you were curious. All right. Now it says USA. Fitting for the upcoming 250th 4th of July celebrations within the next week or so. All right. USA.